It don dey happen for Imo State. You see wetin accused enter. see that soldier pikin, hey sobe. Na for Imo State yesterday. Na the thing dey comment so. Na him dey start that thing for Imo State. The governor of Imo State, Hope Uzodinma, he don flag off Operation Exercise Golden Dawn to tackle every form of insecurity, especially the IPOB people. If you say they cause all the problem, all the saga, all the issue wey say they happen for Imo State. Yesterday, you know say he talk and say the people wey dey cause problem for Imo State say na IPOB. You know say I show you the video yesterday. We say he talk and say people wey dey cause problem na the IPOB, and he go make sure say all this wey dey call am sit at home we say they do for Imo State, say the thing go stop. So he don flag off the Operation Golden Dawn. Make I show you the full video of everything and how he take promise say the thing, all this issue, insecurity, killings, everything go dey stop. He say he go put an end to everything. When I watch how those soldiers and they do everything, they parade. Hey, Zombie, watch out! Hey, Zombie.
On behalf of the government of Imo State and our security agencies, through the Brigade Commander 34 Artillery Brigade, for the vision of creating this forwarding center to address the peculiar nature of the current security situation in Imo State, particularly Orlu Zone, and to thank his colleagues for the support and cooperation given to him. This will go a long way in improving on the security situation in this region, and also give to our people sense of security, further encourage our brothers and sisters who are resident abroad to come home because the area is safe and secure. So for me, this is a great achievement on the side of my security agencies. I want to commend them and continue to support them to create an enabling environment for our people to go about their businesses without fear of any molestation. We are not unaware of the sacrifices you make to secure our state. In return, I can assure you that we will show sufficient appreciation, and when the day and time comes, we must have our humble way of telling you thank you for a job well done. So on behalf of the government and the people of Imo State, let me officially flag off this project.
Now the new method wey be say Governor Hope he come bring with that, wey be say he wan use am to solve all the problem, all the issues of insecurity wey be say the IPOB people, as him talk am, say the cause for Imo State na better development na him bring to Imo State. But my home be say no be news again say there is jaga for Imo State. Let me say some people they talk say na IPOB dey cause problem. IPOB they talk say no be them they cause problem. Say the only thing we say them they do and just to agitate for freedom and for the release of their leader. We say the government we say in arrest of recent. Say that's when they do. The IPOB they talk say na the unknown government na they cause problem. Na him come make Hope to come talk say he no even want hear anything. Na IPOB na unknown government make the gallant soldier make them do their work diligently. Anybody wey they say they cause problem for Imo State, Operation Fire Down, Golden Dawn, come down them, finish them and kill them finish. but my own be say make all those gallant soldiers make dem no dey kill make dem no dey arrest or hurt innocent citizens. Na wetin me I wan talk na im be that. You know say this issue now, we don get many news wey be say we hear say the police dey arrest some people, they call them as IPOB. Later we hear say say the person dey waka for road o, they come arrest am and they tag am as IPOB. That kind of stuff now don hear am for this country. Make our gallant soldiers or the police security operative make them look well before, because you know say na better things na this governor do now to make sure say peace dey for Imo State. Imo State na better state before. Imagine now wetin happen for Imo State now. Person no fit work freely for Imo State again. No fit work freely again now. Everywhere now come becomes kata killings here and there, burning of offices, burning of houses, burning of cars, burning of all those kind of thing. Peace no dey again for the state. So na im come make Governor Hope come do this thing. Make I to hear your own opinion. These operations wey Governor Hope wey say im do, wey say im bring down. Me I know the issue wey be say im talk say im bring am to fight against IPOB. That one I know they go talk about am, but to fight against insecurity, and that one me I dey on say na better things im do to fight against insecurity, because na person wey dey alive and im dey chop o. So best thing, first thing wey be say we vote for all these governor for, and to make sure say dem keep us safe as the chief security officer wey say dem be as the governor. So that's why he come talk say he bring all those soldiers come to safeguard everybody for Imo State. Make I ask you the question, wetin una think about this Operation Golden Dawn wey Hope Uzodinma wey bring enter Imo State? Na better development or the thing go still worsen the situation? Because I know say if these soldiers start to kill all these IPOB people, na this Boko Haram start to, those people say want to try to fire back. Go become Operation Fire for Fire. IPOB go dey fire soldier go fire IPOB. I know say na the best thing say you wan use them to face IPOB alone. Those people wey dey cause problem, and you suppose use them face. No cause problem, no cause more problem to everything wey dey happen. No pour petrol to the fire wey be say dey burn. I no support anybody, but we say for the peace to come back to our dear country. We want peace again for this country. My name na MC Top Secret. See you in my next edition. Thank you.